Over the last 10 years, there's been a few small murals done in town. And I think that kind of led to the city council saying, you know what, this might be a good thing to do for Durango. The train goes by, goes up to Silverton 3 times a day. It goes right behind our store, and I've been here 26 years, and I just know every day when I hear that train go by that everything's gonna be good. A couple years ago, there was a group of local artists that were interested in doing a mural, and so they came to us, and they spoke with Joel Kruger, the owner.
They came to us, and then they sat down as a group at their office, and they said, this is what we'd like to do, and give us some ideas. It was just the right thing to do.
It's really important that local artists and businesses connect so that we can create a really fun and lively culture in Durango and try to strengthen our economy through arts and culture.
The local art community here Durango is art. I mean, it's an old town. It's got a lot of really unique architecture, and I mean, it's all part of art. It's all part of our culture here.
Came up with a design that honored the heritage and culture of Durango, and we featured some species that are important to us here in the Southwest Colorado region.
What we did to help out the artists mainly was we donated all the paint, but we also helped paint.
Our project involved 30 different volunteers from the community of all different ages. We had some little guys helping us out, and we had older folks helping us out. And it was really beautiful to see the community come together and roll on paint or outline some of the designs.
It really is a real community mural. It really is.
We were very thankful that ACE chose us to complete the mural and design it and work with them. They had been searching for artists to come and do something on it for over 10 years. And it just so happened to be the right time and place that we were looking for walls to paint.
That's one of the main reasons that we did the mural, was so that we could get that time those people could drive or ride by the train and see that.